Hello students, in this video we will talk about the uniform circular motion. So let's start. When a body or any other object moves in a circular path, we call it in a circular motion, right? And when the body which is moving in a circular path have a uniform speed or constant speed, it means the speed is not changing, then the motion is called the uniform circular motion. It is already in a circular motion, but if its speed is constant, then we will call it uniform circular motion. One type of force is needed to make an object travel in the circular path. किसी भी ऑब्जेक्ट को सर्कुलर पाथ में ट्रेवल करवाने के लिए एक फोर्स की हमें जरूरत होती है. दैट फोर्स इज कॉल्ड द सेंट्रीपिटल फोर्स. सपोज we have one stone and we have tied the stone with the thread, and we are now rotating the stone which is tied with the thread in the circular path. Now the thread is acting like a centripetal force. If suppose that thread is broken, अगर वो thread वहां break हो जाता है, तो जो स्टोन होगा इट विल गो एंड फॉल आउट ऑफ द सर्कुलर पाथ. इट मीन्स some kind of force is attracting the object which is acting outside the circle. So that force is called centrifugal force. The force which is attracting it inside the circle is called centripetal, and the force which is attracting it outside is called the centrifugal force. Okay, and when both these forces are balanced, then the object moves in a circular path. Now we will discuss some examples of uniform circular motion. Artificial satellites which move around the earth, they are also in the uniform circular motion. The speed of the satellite is constant, but its velocity is not constant. Right? There is a difference between the speed and velocity. Speed is the distance traveled upon the time taken. Divided by the time taken is the speed. But if the speed is if the distance traveled is in a particular direction, then we call it velocity. Okay? So velocity is the distance traveled in a particular direction divided by the time, right? So the velocity of the satellite is not constant because its direction of motion is changing continuously, right? Speed is constant, but velocity is not constant. Then the force of gravity of earth keeps the satellite in the circular orbit around it. अर्थ की ग्रेविटी के कारण ही जो सैटेलाइट होती है वो सर्कुलर पाथ में रोटेट करती है. Other examples are like moon also moves in uniform circular motion around the earth. The earth moves around the sun in the uniform circular motion. Okay, motion of an athlete, or we can say cyclist, in a circular track with constant speed. In all these cases the speed is constant, but velocity is not constant. Okay, now we will study how we can find out the speed of body which is moving in a circular path or which is in uniform circular motion. We know that speed is equals to distance upon time. Okay, and distance here will be, if the body is moving in a circular path, distance will be equal to the circumference of the circular path. ठीक है, जो सर्कमफ्रेंस होगा सर्कुलर पाथ का वही हो जाएगा आपका डिस्टेंस. सो इट विल बी 2 पाई r, जो कि सर्कल का सर्कमफ्रेंस होता है. सो r is the radius and value of pi is equal to 22/7, which is a constant. I hope you all have understood the topic well. Thank you for watching.